Imagine walking into your kitchen and feeling calm instead of stressed. Sounds impossible, right? Most homeowners deal with cluttered counters, overflowing drawers, and way too many gadgets. But what if less stuff actually gave you more space? In this video, I'll show you how to declutter without regret, use smart storage that doubles your space, avoid common mistakes, and design a kitchen that feels functional and beautiful. Ready to transform your kitchen? Now, let's start with decluttering. It's the heart of minimalist kitchen organization. Take everything out of a drawer or cabinet and ask, do I really use this? If not, it's time to let it go. Those giant knife sets? You probably only use two. A good chef's knife and a paring knife cover almost every task. The rest just take up space. Same with those random gadgets, like avocado slicers or waffle makers you haven't touched in months. Donate them, recycle them, or pass them along to someone who will use them. Here's a simple hack. Keep a donation box in the corner of your kitchen for 1 week. Every time you open a drawer and see something you never use, toss it in. At the end of the week, let it go. This makes the process less overwhelming and keeps your focus on keeping only essential kitchen items. Now, let's move to countertops. A clutter-free counter instantly makes a kitchen feel larger and calmer. Start by putting away small appliances like toasters, blenders, or mixers if you don't use them every single day. Create an appliance garage inside a cabinet or pantry shelf where they can live. Utensils? Instead of keeping them in a big crock on the counter, store them in a drawer with a bamboo divider. Something expandable like the Pipistrelle drawer organizer works perfectly. It makes everything easy to grab without leaving it out. Even dish drying can be simplified. Instead of a bulky rack, use a clean dish towel for daily drying. It takes less space, looks neater, and is more hygienic. The less you see on your counters, the more peaceful and spacious your kitchen will feel. Back-end index pointing right, quick question for you. What's the one thing on your countertop you can't live without? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know what feels essential in your kitchen. Here's where the magic happens. Storage. Minimalist kitchens use smart solutions to make the most of every inch. Inside cabinets, add expandable shelf risers. They instantly double your space for plates, mugs, or pantry items. One popular option on Amazon is the Songmix 2-tier shelf riser. Reviewers love that it creates space where they thought there wasn't any left. For drawers, bamboo organizers, or adjustable trays keep utensils neat. A MateSmart tray, for example, has non-slip pads so it stays put and keeps everything in its lane. Don't forget deep cabinets. Use a Lazy Susan for spices or condiments so nothing gets lost in the back. Pull-out racks also work great for pots, lids, or cleaning supplies. And here's one more underrated tool: magnetic strips. A simple wooden magnetic strip on your backsplash can hold knives or even small spice jars, freeing up drawer and counter space instantly. One of the smartest minimalist kitchen organization ideas is to think in zones. This saves time, reduces stress, and keeps clutter from spreading everywhere. Create a prep zone with cutting boards, knives, mixing bowls, and measuring cups all close together. Keep your cooking zone near the stove with pots, pans, spatulas, and oils right at hand. Set up your cleanup zone by the sink with dish soap, scrub brushes, and towels. And if you bake often, you can even create a baking zone with flour, sugar, and mixing bowls grouped together. This kind of kitchen zone organization makes it super easy for anyone, family, friends, even guests, to find what they need without asking. It makes your kitchen flow naturally, and you'll notice how much smoother daily cooking becomes. Minimalist kitchen design is not just about storage. It's also about creating a space that feels calm and cohesive. Stick to neutral colors like white, beige, or gray, which instantly make a kitchen feel larger. Choose handle-free or push-to-open cabinets for a seamless look. If you can, hide your appliances behind panel-ready doors so they blend into the cabinetry. For warmth, add natural touches like a wood cutting board on display, a single ceramic vase, or even a small green plant. Remember, less is more. A few intentional decor pieces are far more powerful than a cluttered collection. And here's a small tip: decant pantry items into matching glass jars or bins. Not only does it look beautiful, but it's also practical. You can see exactly when you're running low, and shelves feel instantly more organized. Minimalism isn't just about decluttering once. It's about keeping your kitchen clutter-free long-term. One of the best ways to do this is to follow the one-in, one-out rule. If you buy a new pan or gadget, donate or recycle one you no longer use. This keeps your kitchen balanced. Focus on quality over quantity. A sturdy cast iron skillet or stainless steel mixing bowls can do the job of several cheaper, single-use items. Fewer tools, better results. Schedule a routine reset. Spend 10 minutes each week putting everything back where it belongs. This small habit prevents clutter from creeping back onto counters and into drawers. And finally, do a seasonal check-in every few months. Open a drawer, scan quickly, and remove anything you haven't touched. Minimalist kitchens stay functional because they're maintained, not because they're organized once and forgotten. Before we wrap up, let's go over the mistakes many people make when organizing their kitchens. First, don't buy a bunch of organizers before decluttering. If you organize things you don't even need, you're just wasting space. Declutter first, then measure your drawers and shelves before buying anything. Second, don't sacrifice function for looks. Sure, uniform jars look amazing, but if they make your daily cooking harder, they're not serving you. Always balance beauty with function. Third, don't ignore vertical storage. The walls, the backs of cabinet doors, even the sides of your fridge. These are prime spots for hooks, shelves, or magnetic racks. And finally, don't keep duplicates you don't use. 3 ladles? For spatulas? Keep 1 or 2 favorites and let the rest go. The less you have, the more space you gain. Back-end index pointing right, quick pause. If you found even one of these tips helpful, hit the like button. It really supports the channel and tells me to make more minimalist kitchen videos for you. Minimalist kitchen organization isn't about doing without. It's about living smarter. By following simple kitchen organization and kitchen decluttering tips, you'll enjoy a clutter-free kitchen that's calm and functional. From kitchen drawer organization to vertical kitchen storage and smart kitchen appliance storage, these kitchen storage solutions transform even small kitchens. Whether you're creating a minimalist kitchen layout or just want easy kitchen organization ideas, remember, less stuff, more space. With functional kitchen organization, your modern kitchen becomes a joy to use every day. And if you're ready to take the next step, don't just leave. Drop a comment with your biggest kitchen clutter challenge. I'd love to answer it in a future video. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical home design tips.